Hey, it's Mike, the founder of VexPower. I just want to show you my self-building model. So this is a concept I really wanted to work on as part of VexPower, which is to build a marketing mix model builder that kind of builds itself. It's an automated model, a self-driving car version of MMM. And this is how I have built it so far. And I haven't fully tested it, but it uses everything from the MMM code, right? So this is everything I open sourced. I've added a few more functions in here. It doesn't use any of the data cleaning. It assumes clean data, but it uses all the display and build engineering stuff. So just going to walk you through how this works. And it's going to be, I'm just going to deploy it. So it'll be in the GitHub repo for VexMMM. Cool. So it imports everything it needs. It creates a class. And then it's saved. You just pass it a file name. It guesses the date, makes out the index, adds a constant, guesses what the Y label is. So if it has like revenue or sales in the name, then it'll choose that one. Gets all of the X labels, guesses what labels are media. So, if it has cost or spend in it, there's probably ad platform. And then finds the rest of the labels as base labels. And this distinction is important because it does add stocks and diminishing returns automatically on the media labels, but it doesn't do that for the base labels. It makes a few other assumptions. So basically it just sets all these placeholders and then runs this process. This process is in 3 parts. So it's find, so it's finding the best model from the variables that you inputted. And then it saves the model after running a fit, and the fit basically just creates the tables and stuff, and then just shows the tables. So the way the find works, fit and show is like pretty normal. It's like standard stuff we've had so far. The way the find works, this is just how I'm thinking about it. I'd love any feedback you guys have. And think this is just useful if you're trying to build marketing mix models. Like, this is the process I kind of go through. So I'd love to know, even if you're not really contemplating automated stuff, is this the process you use when you're building models? So first of all, I go through all the base variables and I do backwards feature elimination. So any base variables, so non-advertising, that don't have a low enough p-value, so they're not statistically significant, I get rid of them. And then I iterate through the media labels. I create ad stocks for the media labels. So that's just a big list of different ad stocks, which is automatically created here as 0.1 to 0.9. And then I find the best ad stock column and then do diminishing returns on that. Again, 0.1 to 0.9. And then I get the best diminishing returns column and then append it onto the end. And then I set the best X labels. So that's really the finding part, the automated part. And then it fits that value and then shows that value as well. So it will, kind of show you the model at the end like this, but it's actually kind of choosing the variables for you, whereas previously you had to do it manually. So I think there's a lot more we could do here, but just wanted to share this because I think it'd just be interesting, to get your contributions and not have to kind of think of every edge case myself. I'll be deploying it to the GitHub in a second, so feel free to mess around with it. I hope you find it useful.